Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. Today I'm gonna sharing with you a beautiful photo hanging album. All the products I have used here I will mention on the description box and on the screen also, and all the measurements also will be on the screen, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. I think this video will be very helpful for you, and if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up and comment me how much you have liked it, and don't forget to share it. So enjoy the video. So that's it for today guys. Your beautiful hanging photo album is ready. You can attach some photos, you can attach some quotation, whatever you want you can do. Wait for the next video, and till then take care and